Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So into this video ay i-review natin yung regalo sa akin na Ocas Air Fryer. Okay, so far maganda yung packaging niya. Nakikita na naman. Okay, as you can see, sobrang ganda yung pagkakabalot ni seller. Okay, kompleto yung parts niya at super like ko po yung kulay. Okay, gamitin na natin. So, ito ay chicken nuggets. This time, I put long naman. Ang kagandahan niya guys ay non-stick yung loob niya, yung lalagyan ng food. Okay, ito na siya. Eto na siya. Ito naman ay luncheon meat. Okay, ang last nating lulutuin ngayon ay French fries. Okay, ito na yung naluto nating French fries. Actually, hindi lang po ito yung pwede nating lutuin gamit yung air fryer. Marami pa pong iba. Actually, may kasama pa po itong recipe na included doon sa ating package. Okay, para naman sa ating final na verdict, sulit dahil number 1, madali siyang gamitin, make our life easy. Number 2, healthy. Number 3, madaling linisin dahil nga non-stick yung lalagyan ng food. Number 4, maganda yung forma parang sosyal. Therefore, you can try this product. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. See you again on my next video. Thank you and bye.